Here I have my research annotation tools. Right here I have equine management, where I have taken notes about what kind is in there and what you should do, and just a brief little part of what it is about. And I also found one on marketing your equine practice right here, and I also took some notes over it, as you can see right here. And then also management of equine hoof injuries. This is such a common thing. As I have a horse that has this right now, so I am very knowledgeable about it, but it's nice to have some main information about it. And then here's this. So then I went over into here, and here are like the citations for them. Here you can get the full text for each one of them. So your citations down here. Here's the other one. You can get the full text here. And then here is where I created my citations for each one, and I had to change the DOI number just a little bit, as it was like a web address, so I just changed it and made it just the DOI number.